I'm going to just cut across and do it in 2 sections. That's looking really good. I'm just going to add a little decoration at the bottom. Good detail. And for this next section, I am not going to be skipping any hair. I'm just going to do the next section right over the previous. So that is the back all done. It was only like 15 minutes of work. Now I'm going to move on to the front section. I'm going to do one off camera and then show you guys how to do it on the other side. Alright, let's complete this next side. I know it's going to be like messy. It's not super super detailed. I'll show you guys how I can do this section. How to talk about the hair after this section. To this section, we're going to do the hair around your hair. Like that's part of the one. We have the hair and you want that to bring up and more section out. The rest is up here. We're going to be in this last all in the section. Super natural. So that. Once you work the section out of the way, you just have to step into all the catch up all the hair. So just be right. So out of the way. Now we're going to section. You guys go back. Make sure you work right in the hair. And you strong to the side. So now we're going to get the top of my head here and we're going to take out this triangle to make it so that's what's on now. I like using the on the top of once. Process and then do the same amount of time on each side and rinse them out per section. I'm gonna go do that, rinse everything out, put a little toner on here and show you guys the finished result. Alright you guys, so this is the finished look. Oh my god, she looks incredible. I wish this was my hair. I was like, what is the hair back? She has this beautiful lightness going on. I mean, it's just beautiful. It's just so natural looking. I am obsessed. It's actually done something to me when it's done nicely. I just love this look. So I told with a very easy, simple formula, which is HEN. I used She's Cute. As you can see, her hair looks completely different. I hope you guys can take those techniques and use them on yourself, on your clients. Yes, beautiful, gorgeous, fabulous. If you guys are already subscribed, make sure you guys down below and down below either like the icon and we know where to check this video and like make sure you guys text me on this number right here. Yes, remember to do this on your phone. Yes, and you can use messages. Just text me now. Also, know that we're sending this video. Make sure you call me up. How's your always keep and all that. So keep it so fresh. If you're gonna check out my hair, you're lying and I'm lying. You can sew now at a.com below. You can also check out hair color. You can also check out our Instagram and our color and X hair to see what we have on times. If you're not shopping merch, you can do so. If you're like merch, how far does it is? Merch like merch. If you want to do shopping down below, also like talking to Jennifer, she said, oh, I don't know, I was something different to my hair. It's been dark brown for my whole life. I understand you have hair to do it. I don't know if I was going to do it. You're trying to do different. Honestly, I was just doing that. Exactly what it's been on your hair. It looks so freaking pretty. Just the lighter pieces going through. Okay, you'll have to have that makes it good. Again, I would say that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, I'll see you next time. Bye, guys. para mas malalabukan sa ating tayo ng ating pag-highlight. Kung mapapasok mga design, na i-lift yung kulay or yung pitch ng buhok ng ating client. At sa mga highlights sa mga kailangan sa mag-apply, or gusto kayo mag-start sa area pataas, since natin kung gusto sa dalawa, so mag-start muna tayo dito sa may left side pataas, o kapag sa may pinard region ko, pagkatapos dyan, ay doon naman po sa kabilang part sa may right. Tayo maglagay ng ating mga foil. And ngayon naman po ay bababa natin ito ng 20 to 30 minutes. Then i-check natin mamaya yan isa-isa para makita natin kung kulay or nag-lift na po ba yung pitch natin ng ating client. Then pag medyo malilaw pa siya, tayo na kung na po niya i-set yung na yung babaan pag natin siya matawan. At kung naman yung mga silaw na po ng ating client, kasi lang na yung rate or nag-lift na siya ang 11 or 9 yung mga blood test na niya, kung lang natin siya palawan, then kung siya siyang pero pwede po lagyan ng conditioner or treatment. Dahil after na sila sa natin ang ating hair color, para mapulang po yung mga yellow feet ng ating mga highlights or mapucolor neutralizing po tayo mga sila. So, this is mga sila, palawan na po natin ang ating mga alagay ng foil at kasi